So, what methods exist for perfecting a security interest in personal property? Generally, there's three categories or ways of perfecting a security interest in this personal property. The first is through filing a financing statement using the appropriate form, which is generally in most states called a UCC 1. But you file this financing statement that identifies the property, states the outstanding debt on it, and you file this in the appropriate public office. In most states, it's with the Secretary of State's office with a division there. In other states, it's through the local courthouse, and you record your interest in that way, and it goes into a clerk of courts system. But anyway, it goes into the state recognized system for recording security interest in the real property. Okay. The other method second method is through possession or control of the personal property. That is, when you lend money against the property, you actually take physical possession of it, or you some way have control over it. That is, you have command or control over an account with someone holding it, such as a bailment scenario, or you have title to it where the property is located somewhere else, but your physical control over this title effectively gives you control over ownership of the personal property. But by and large, it's normally through physical possession or through this manner of control. And again, there's no need to file in this scenario. Your ownership interest, your security interest is represented through your possession of the item. And then third is something called automatic perfection. Automatic perfection takes place in certain situations where for a temporary time, or it can be permanent, depending on the nature of the personal goods, such as non-consumer goods might have temporary perfection for a stated period of time, particularly when someone provides money or purchase money, that is to purchase collateral. So their security interest is in that loan is automatically perfected in the collateral that's purchased with the money for a short period of time. Otherwise, if it's consumer goods, then the seller of consumer goods could have a permanently perfected, not temporary, purchase money security interest in the collateral in that way. And this happens without control over the collateral or without filing. So these are your three primary methods that will be discussed further in subsequent lectures. But remember, filing is one method, control or possession is another, and then in some situations you have automatic perfection, whether it's temporary or permanent automatic perfection.